saya Dr Redza. Saya seorang saintis, penyelidik kesihatan dan saya fokus dalam bidang DNA, RNA, genomic medicine. I know Stemregen from Christian Drupa, I think in US. And I'm a bit skeptical at that time. By feeling it, I'm not saying by anecdotal evidence. I did some tests to see which biomarkers, which parameters that actually changed after taking Stemregen. That's when I know that it works. I have two phases. The first phase is just to learn and understand about the Stemregen. At that time I test, I can only feel about the energy booster. Personal experience that I don't need coffee that day if I take Stemregen. And something good about Stemregen, if you don't take that day, it can last long until the next day. You can feel like you feel energetic. You feel like that day you feel okay. Like I don't know, because guys, you have to understand that I'm a cancer patient. I have my chronic fatigue syndrome, so I can tell the difference of my chronic fatigue syndrome day, and I can tell the difference between my energetic day. Now it's my second bottle. So actually it works the first 3 days. Remember, the first 3 days is the crucial part. So the first 3 days I went to the blood check and I see the significant changes. So that's why it makes me believe to do a consistent way to eat finish the whole bottle. I'm different because according to the bottle you need to take two pills, 2 capsules a day. But that's for healthy people to do anti-aging. But guys, I need a recovery. I'm a cancer patient, so I need to take double at least. And then at the end of the day, I can tell it works on me.